mirrorless camera, the Lumix S9, and our brand new smartphone app, the LUMIX Lab.
Get it right in the feels, let it out. Get it done, get it right in the feels, let it out. Get it done, get it right in the feels, let it out. Done, get it right in the feels, let it out. Get it done, get it right in the feels, let it out.
Let's get it! So this is brand new Lumix S9. Get closer to me because I'm about to drop the bomb. You guys are damn wrong. This is not a typical easy compact camera. If you label this as the car is coming, so I'm gonna go. So if you label this as just a vlog cam, Lumix will be pissed off. So today I'm not gonna be geeky that much. I'm just gonna give you, my first impression about this camera. I will make a, full detailed review next time. Sometimes numbers and spec are blocking the cracks. My job is to reveal the true essence of a thing. Finally. So if you see this brand new, not brand new, but neat bed. So the Lumix Global Summit 2024. I don't know why, but I was invited. Yeah, I know why, because I'm using Lumix, legit Lumix user. So many creators and influencers from all over the world are coming to this event, summit. So hopefully I can get, know well, each other and expand my, creativity, expand my, this YouTube, social media activity. And also just, I just wanted to vlog because this is such a fantastic opportunity, right? So yeah, why not? See, like this, the Lumix people, there are tons of Lumix users. It's gonna be so fun. I don't know the detail, but I think I can try some new gears on Lumix. I don't know, but that's exciting.
For so many top level creators like yourself from all over the world, and would like to extend a heartfelt welcome. I'd like to thank our latest full-frame mirrorless camera, the Lumix S9, and our brand new smartphone app, the LUMIX Lab.
The Lumix S9 will allow you to shoot and share in 30 seconds.
So I didn't know that, but I got S9 in my hand. So I'm gonna make a great review, and I think I'm gonna run again. And the music is too loud, so I think my voice is not clear right now. Let me change the spot right now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's so low. Hold on. I'm gonna put the suitcase under this tripod. Okay, this is Lumix S9. This is the very first moment to grab this S9. So I'm gonna show you guys like this. Lumix S9. So where is baby? Okay, I am seeing it, I'm seeing it. Oh, it's so small. Come on. Wow. There are 4 colors: black, red, green, blue. Black is so cool. So cool. Sophisticated, super dope design. There is no grip, of course, because this is a snap shooter. Not just a snap shooter, because this can shoot log. Inside is pretty much same as S5II, S5IIX. So, whew. And what is this one? I think this is a lens. Yeah, this is a lens. This lens is also dope. This is a 20 to 60 mil. 20 to 60 mil. I already have it, but yeah. Why not? 2060. Okay. That's good. Yep, that's pretty much it. This is the sling. The battery. Okay, the battery is same, even though right now S5IIX, this one is S9, but the battery is universal. That's dope. Next thing is this is the lens. Come on, without a box. So yeah, this is the lens. Look how tiny it is. It's almost like a cookie. Oh my god. So this one is 26mm f8 manual focus lens, L-mount lens. So I'm gonna place it. Oh, by the way, this camera is a full frame. Can you believe it? This size and the full frame. Wow. Look at this. So I'm gonna take photo, you know, the very first photo using this camera. Yeah, マジで来てよかったな. So I met a lot of people, like a Cam Mackey. Do you know the Cam Mackey? Like I was sitting in the chair and waiting for the event start. Just like that. And some guy, like a cool guy, was approaching to me, and I just look up, and there was a Cam Mackey. Cam, thank you for reaching out to me. I love your video too, and someday hopefully we can collaborate. So my first photo, what I'm gonna shoot. So by the way, today I'm wearing the Nike Off-White, the sneaker, and I love this so much. Look at this spiky shoes. Come on. So let's shoot this one. So wow, the real-time LUTs. Come on. いいね。めちゃめちゃいいやんこれ。うわ、めちゃめちゃいいやん。連射もできんのこれ。やば。So what I want to try right now is video mode, of course. So compact. I mean, of course, you can use other L-mount lenses on this camera. But now, this 26mm is new, so I'm just testing out. How is it? Oh my god. No, oh my god, it's pretty much the same as S5IIX. So yeah, this oh my god is for that.
Wow, 綺麗。何この青。マジで綺麗だなこれ。え
So now we've been using this camera for like 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe, for this review, but it's actually fantastic. Also, by the way, this is Harajuku, Takeshita Street. It's, kind of center of the culture in Tokyo. Like everything is here, like a hip hop, kind of goth stuffs. How is it? Oh, by the way, do you know what camera I am using right now? Of course, Lumix, right? But Lumix S5II, it could be GH5, it could be S5IIX, it could be S9. I have S5IIX in my hand, so that means this is S9. Come on, this footage out from this camera, can you believe it? And as I showed you, this can shoot like a real-time LUT, without any color grading, but it can produce amazing, it can produce amazing footage. So as I showed you, this can shoot, vlog, true vlog that we are familiar with. But also, this can produce real-time LUT, amazing color. You can go easy, but also you can go hard on this camera. As you can see, right now, 4K, 24 FPS vlog color graded. So you can go serious with this camera. So with that being said, this is so versatile. So since then, I have been using this S9 a lot. Seriously, a lot. Because you know what? This has pretty much the same thing as S5IIX inside of this body. So that means this is full frame and this can shoot 6K and 4K. All those things sounds familiar for those who have been watching my content, because like I said, the inside is pretty much the same as S5II, S5IIX. Okay, S5IIX inside, but outside is very minimalistic and it looks like an easy entry camera, but costs about $1,500. So what's the point of this camera? You will have totally different emotion after finishing this video. Well, I will make you feel that way. So the most important thing about this camera is real-time LUT. This allows you to shoot with a professional and cinematic LUT easily, even though you can't do the complicated color editing. You can import your favorite LUT into the camera, and additionally, there is the brand new app LUMIX Lab. You can download a tons of LUT from this. Not only the official LUMIX LUT, you can upload your custom LUT, so meaning you can also download LUTs from all over the world content creators. That's crazy, huh? This feature is so powerful. You can enjoy the phenomenon S5II image quality and full frame sensor with a creative look in this little package, and they look super awesome without any complicated process. So for people who have never used the camera, this is a great first option for you guys. And you can feel the Lumix world very easily. It can instantly provide you the amazing look. I'm pretty sure that you can enjoy shooting with this, without thinking complicated stuff. Also, people who are like me, this is a super fun camera. It's been a short time since I got this camera, so it's very difficult to dive deep in this one. But one thing that I am pretty sure is this can take you to the Lumix journey. For beginners, it can show you the Lumix world fast, easily, and instantly, but professionally. For filmmakers, photographers, this allows you to play with the camera again. So as well as the S9, the new app was released, LUMIX Lab. This is super important app, so we can fully enjoy this LUMIX S9. We can send the video, photos to smartphone through this app. It's just so easy. You only gotta turn on the Bluetooth and connect. That's it. You can access to the media and select whatever you want and send. If it's photo, it's super fast. When it comes to the video, it takes about a minute. Well, it may depend on the network environment, but it's still so fast. Okay, one OMG point. Once you transfer footages to your... Okay, wait a second. Right now, I'm at the outside. So this is pretty much, the perfect situation to test out this transfer app, right? So I think I'm gonna shoot some reels, but now I can't reveal this information. So I'm gonna, hide, the essence of the thing. So what else? Okay. So now I'm shooting some video and I can't tell you what it is right now, but just stay tuned for that. So now I just shot like a 10 or 15 seconds Instagram reel video. Now I'm gonna transfer this to my smartphone. So first thing I do is just connect those two things by Bluetooth. But that's it. Just turn on this Bluetooth on, and I'm gonna select this photo video transfer, something like this, and now they are connecting. It'll be done in a second. So now they are connected to each other. Here it is, the video I shot. So I'm gonna select this one and transfer. So even this video, don't go anywhere because it'll be done so soon. See? It's done. Come on, look at this. So right now, this video was transferred and I'm gonna go to this gallery. Here it is, the video I just shot. See, this quality on the smartphone. Definitely, it's impossible to have this image quality by smartphone cameras, even though it's like iPhone or Google 7a or something like that. And one more crazy thing. So look at this view. So here is the tool. Can you see that? There is bunch of shadow, highlight, or something like this, contrast, and also the great thing is that this has curve, so you can just edit instantly and easily like this. Also, you have like a red, green, blue, so it's pretty much same as like a Premiere Pro or Lightroom. And you can do that kind of editing on the smartphone. Nowadays, the speed is so important. So many people are making content with their smartphone because it's just fast. Even though it's not the best when it comes to the quality, but they compromise it because it's fast and easy. But with this Lumix S9, you don't have to give up image quality. You can have amazingly rich images with a fast speed. I think this will be the game changer and it will make you stand out in this social media world field. So this one is also making this S9 the S9. Although this got a legit spec inside, but the outside is not professional, but in a super good way. Right now, as you can see, I am driving this S5IIX. Of course, this is a fantastic camera. Sorry for the wind. I'm gonna cover this way. Right, so this is a great camera. But if I have this in my hand, it makes me feel like, okay, I have to shoot. You know, I have to shoot good. Like the switch of like a professional videographer, professional YouTuber switch just turned on because of this look, because of this functionality, because of this usability, because of this build quality. So compared to that, this S9 is, looks so casual, but the inside is a pro video and photography camera. So this allows me to use and play with this camera so casually. So that is something I really love about this Lumix S9. This got a so minimalistic design. There are shutter, dial, mode, rec, and some function buttons, and this LUT button. You can access your LUT gallery from this, and the crazy thing is that you can change it even while you're recording. But as well as S5 series, this got a quick mode selection button and the custom dials, so the usability is actually great. But at the same time, the design is very easy. Just hanging the camera and chilling, walking like this. And when you find some moments you want to capture, just shoot. But I can do this not only because of this design, it's also because I trust inside of this camera. S9 can perform like S5IIX, but the camera allows me to be not professionally and to just have fun, easy. But not just easy. You also can enjoy the Lumix world. Alright, so I'm just done with this. Okay, so this is pretty much it. So, how was your first impression about this camera? So excited or just meh? Let me know in the comment below. Me, as you can see, I'm so hyped. I'm so excited, for the life with this camera because I just love it so much. But I don't know what's gonna happen after making a full detailed review of this video. Maybe I will hate it or I will still love it. I don't know. And also I'm gonna make a comparison with like a Sony A7V II or S5IIX. So just stay tuned for that. But this will continue, of course. But what I'm gonna, say to you is just play easy and play hard. So can I just, close the back door because I want to go home? Please? Please? Come on.